And when we understand going to and how to use that in a sentence, we can easily rearrange the sentence itself to ask a question about the future tense. So we say, Jessica is going to have ice cream. Okay, Jessica is going to have ice cream. But then we say, is Jessica going to have ice cream? We go from Jessica is to is Jessica going to have ice cream? Question mark. The be is swapped with the subject. So Jessica is, or they are, it is, are they, is it, is Jessica going to have ice cream? Is Sophie going to the party? Sophie is going to the party. Is Sophie going to the party? Am I going to see you tomorrow? I'm going to see you tomorrow. Am I going to see you tomorrow? When is it going to? So we could then say who, what, where, when, why, when. When is it going to rain? Is it going to rain tomorrow? Or more open question, when is it going to rain? We could simply ask, is it going to rain tomorrow? Yes or no? Oh, I don't know. But when we say, when is it going to rain? It is an open question and the answer could be anything. Likewise with what. What are you going to? What are you going to do today? You are going to teach today. You are going to learn today. What are you going to do today? I don't know. You tell me. So these are the questions with going to. We swap the be with the subject. We rearrange the sentence and then it's a question.